All right, working on problem 7 and 8 right now. Problem 7. In the town of Fremont, the average household uses 8,000 kilowatt hours of electrical energy each year. There are 3,000 homes in this community. How many kilowatt hours of electrical energy does the community consume in 1 year? How much money do they spend if it's 10 cents per kilowatt hour? Couple of knowns. We know that the average household uses 8,000 kilowatt hours per year, and we know there's 3,000 homes. We also know the cost per kilowatt hour. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is figure out the total kilowatts used by the city of Fremont, which is 8,000 kilowatt hours times 3,000 homes, which is 24 million kilowatt hours used in 1 year for that town. Now we know that the cost of the electricity is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Well, all you got to do is multiply this by $0.1 and you'll get your answer, because it's cost 10 cents per kilowatt hour. And those will cancel, and then you take this decimal, multiply that by 0.1, you get $2,400,000. That's your answer. So the next question, number 8, is in the town of Carson, the average household has 10 60-watt bulbs in their house. There are 10,000 homes in this community. How many kilowatts of electrical energy does this community consume in 200 days if the bulbs are left on for an average of 10 hours? Go ahead and pause the video and try to figure out this problem. Does your answer look like this? We have 10 60-watt bulbs on per hour. That's 600 watts per hour that we're using. Okay? And we leave them on for 10 hours. So that is 6,000 watt hours that we use a day. Now, watt hours isn't how they sell electricity. They actually sell it in kilowatt hours, and it's 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's change that into kilowatt hours, because that's what the question wants. So 6,000 multiplied by our conversion factor, which is 1 kilowatt, is 1,000 watts, okay, which equals 6 kilowatt hours. Those zeros cancel. 6 times 1 is 6 kilowatt hours. That's what we use per day. But we're on for 200 days, like the question says. So 6 kilowatt hours times 200 days is 1,200 kilowatt hours. Okay, that's what we use, just like that light bulb. Now, there's 10,000 homes. That's per one home, so we have to multiply it by 10,000. And that gives us 1,200,000 kilowatt hours that each home is using to light those 10 60-watt light bulbs per year. Now, if you multiply this by the cost of 1 kilowatt hour, we know it's 10 cents per kilowatt hour. What we'll come up with is $120,000. Oops, there we go. That's how much it costs, $120,000 for that.